Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your private key on your Sui Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your seed key or your passphrase. And you may also use your social account if you have linked them with your account. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. You will now see all of your accounts that are added within the app. Just click on the Manage button. And now in order to export your private key, just click on the arrow icon alongside each account. Once you click on this, you will now see the Export Private Key option. Go ahead and click on this option and you will now be shown your private key. You can click on the eye icon to view this, and you can also click on the Copy button in order to copy it into your clipboard. After copying your private key, you can store it for safekeeping, as this is one of the methods that will allow you to re-access your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your private key on the Sui Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.